Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Claude Code with OpenRouter on Windows without spending dollars. So first thing first, open any browser. I usually using Chrome and search for Claude documentation. In this document homepage, scroll down a bit, then we can see the snippet command. Click on CMD tab and copy the command. Then run the CMD and paste the command by right-click on the console. If you just tried to install Claude Code and got hit with error 35, don't worry. This error happens because Windows security layer to bypass get install, just adding SSL-no revoke flag. And if it's still error, switch it to PowerShell. Go back to the browser and switch the button PowerShell and click on copy button, then paste back to PowerShell and hit enter. Now it's going to take some minutes to pull the Claude binary file base on your internet connection. Here you can see the graph downloading in background. Now the installation completed. I'm going to try to run the Claude to check if the command work. You can see there is an error of the command not recognized it. If we look at the noted instruction here, we have to add the binary file path into environment variables. So I'm going to copy this directory file path and go to search for environment variables. Then double click on path variable name to edit it. Then append the directory path that we have copied. Click OK button and close the windows. Launch the new CMD and try the command Claude again. And now it's working. Now we go to the browser, search for OpenRouter API, clicking on OpenRouter website, then click on Get API Key. Then we have to register a new account. I'm gonna use my Google account to log in. Just skip the survey and click Submit. We can go to API Key page by clicking this button. To make sure I didn't purchase any credits, go to Credit menu and you see I have spent $0 on that. Now let's go to API Keys. To create new key, click on the button, then fill in any name you prefer. Set expiration. I'm gonna choose 1 hour so that you guys can't use my key. Hit Create button. Now we have the key. Click on the copy button and paste on Notepad because we can't see it again after dismiss dialog. To add the AI models, we have to add into the Claude settings file. Go to user directory in C, then directory name .claude. These directories usually hidden. If you didn't see, then go to view, check the hidden items. I already checked. Just go into the directory. Open the settings.json file with any editor. Go back to browser and new tab, search for OpenRouter integration with Claude Code, click on the link, scroll down to the step 2, and click on tab, project settings file, click on copy button, then back to the VS Code, press Ctrl A and paste back. This is where we should paste the API key. So copy the API key and replace the text. Then we will add the default model's name. Remember the JSON must have with key and value pairs. Go to browser, navigate to models menu, and search the models with free keyword. And all of these models are free to use. So I'm gonna copy this model, click on copy name, go back to VS Code and paste the name as value. Then I'm gonna duplicate it for another 2 models for option to switching models. Back to models page and find another model that you prefer. Then save the file. Now launch new CMD. Try to run the Claude command. Then choose the theme that you want. Just because it can access your folder, so it asking for permission, choosing yes, and let's asking some information, and it's error required to pay on credit. The mistake here is it selected another model that not free. There must be something wrong with the settings JSON file. Let's go and check the file, and I found that I have wrong spelling, the default. Save the file and launch new CMD. And run Claude command. Chose yes for trust. We can see there is the free selected model, so now we can use for free. Let's try C# connection to MySQL. It produced some seconds to print out the result. If we want to switch the model, just hit /model and enter. That will allow to select the model that we have added in settings.json file, move the arrow key to select, and confirm the model. Now you're using new model. And that's it. You've just seen how to integrate OpenRouter with Claude Code to build and debug completely for free. You get the power of an AI-driven terminal without touching your credit card or worrying about token costs. Hit that like button and subscribe for more. Drop a comment below if you ran into any issues with the integration, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!